In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a password on your Outlook data file. This is an important step to ensure that your email data remains secure and private, protecting it from unauthorized access. We'll go through the process step by step to make sure everything is clear and straightforward. First, let's get started by opening Outlook. Once you have the program up and running, go ahead and navigate to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the File tab. Click on that and it'll bring up a menu with numerous options to explore. Amongst those, find Account Settings, which is typically near the top of the menu list. Hover over it and you should see a drop-down for Data Files. Select this option, as it will allow us to access the files where Outlook stores your emails and information. Once you're in the Data Files section, you will see a list of data files that Outlook uses. These files usually end in .pst, which stands for Personal Storage Table. These files hold your emails, calendar entries, contacts, and more. Carefully choose the one that corresponds to the data file you use. It's often named something intuitive like Outlook data file. Once you've located it, click on it to select it. Now direct your eyes to the right side of the window, where you'll see a Settings button. Click on it, and you will be presented with a new window. Among the options here is Change Password. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step in securing your data. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter a password. Make sure that the password you choose is strong and secure. It's crucial to use a combination of letters, both uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Avoid easy-to-guess passwords like password 123 or anything that includes obvious personal information. A good password could be something like ani3f@vr.9t, which blends different character types. Once you've decided on your password, type it in the New Password field and confirm it by re-entering the password in the Confirm Password field. If you've altered your password before, you may need to provide the old one as well, but remember, we're focusing on creating a secure new one right now. After you've carefully entered your password, hit the OK button to save your changes. In doing so, you've now added an extra layer of security to your Outlook data file. Anytime someone tries to open this file, they will need to enter this password. Make sure you remember it or store it securely, as forgetting it may require technical support to recover access. With these steps complete, your email data is that much more protected from prying eyes. Thanks for following along and stay secure.